Diversity is an important part of gardening. It's great for the soil, for the microbes, for that ecosystem below the surface, but also for pest management above the surface. It encourages all kinds of life to come into your garden, and that balance is what keeps things in check and your productivity higher. In this garden, it's 4.5 square metre raised bed. We have rock melons, snapdragons, beetroot, kale, alyssum, basil, chives, leek, spring onions, and broccoli. And of course, just sprouting down the end there, we have snow peas. Diversity. It's good for your garden. It's good for you. Happy gardening.